Let's take a look at how you can automatically add a free gift to your checkout. For instance, say you have products worth $124 in your cart. Upon checkout, a free gift is automatically added. Let's see how to set this on a test store using free gift on checkout. We'll name this feature FG on checkout. This feature will be automatically added, and you can establish the free gift rule. This could be a rule based on spending a certain amount, purchasing a specific product, or buying from particular collections. For this demonstration, we'll use the Spend X amount rule, setting the amount at 200 INR. You can adjust this to your store's currency. Next, we select the free gift. There are also additional settings you can modify. By default, we remove the free gift from the checkout if it's no longer eligible. You can uncheck this option if you prefer. You can also select the option to not add a free gift if the same is already in the cart. This is useful if you're running a separate free gift promotion and you don't want the two to overlap. You can also change the loader text and set up multiple languages, as well as additional customer eligibility rules like customer tags, customer login, market, country, and so on. You can also adjust the discount combination settings and schedule settings. Before proceeding to the next step, save this offer. Then, click on Copy ID and select Checkout so that our ID is copied. Now, you can select the checkout where you want to test this. We'll use the live checkout as a test profile. At the bottom, you'll find the free gift option. Here, click on Plus and select where you want to add it. You can go with the information type here. For me, it's already added. I'm just going to go to the added part and go to the free gift. I'll update my checkout ID here and then save this. Now, let's test this offer on our store. I'll choose any product and click on Checkout. Since my eligibility is already met, the free gift is automatically added at checkout. And that's how you create an auto-add free gift at checkout. I